By the end of this video, you will know all there is to know about identifying a snowy egret. We'll cover field marks, range, similar species, and more. Get ready because I'm starting right now. So the snowy egret is a medium-sized egret that is generally all white. They have black legs and a pretty long, thick black bill. On this breeding adult here, you'll also notice that they have bright yellow feet, and then the area by the eye here is also yellow. This is called the lore. And this bird right here, you can't really see it because it's kind of hidden, but it does in fact have a crest. Let's go over to right here. So you can see this bird does have a crest, and all snowy egrets have crests, but you can't always see it. So as far as range goes, these birds are nearly always found by the water, so the coast is definitely going to be a good place to see them. If you've never read a range map before, the purple means that it's found there year-round, the orange means that it's only found there during the breeding season, and the yellow typically means it's found there during migration. In this case, however, it's a different kind of migration than like the spring and then fall migration. This migration is called post-breeding dispersal, and this is where after the breeding season, once the adults are done raising chicks, they actually migrate north in search of more food. So in this whole yellow area here, they're probably not going to be extremely common. They might even be considered rare in some areas, but if you're within this range here, it's a good idea to pay attention every fall for some birds migrating north. Alright, so next I want to go through some of the most common confusion species here, and there's really only three main ones that are really tricky. First one is the little blue heron. We have here on the right an immature little blue heron, and then on the left we have an immature snowy egret. As you can see, these birds look very similar, and sometimes the little blue heron is even more white than this picture right here. And so the best way to separate them is to look at their bill. Little blue herons have a slightly longer bill that is also thinner when compared to the snowy egret. You can also look at the lores, which are usually a more yellow color compared to the little blue heron. Next big confusing species is the great egret. We have here on the right a great egret, on the left a snowy egret. Great egrets, as their name would suggest, are bigger than snowy egrets, but when they're like really far out there and not right next to each other, it can be kind of hard to tell the difference. So if size is hard to judge, you can also look at their bill. Bill is proportionally longer than that of the snowy egret. It's also a orange color. Snowy egrets, like I mentioned earlier, have yellow lores and yellow feet, while great egrets have black feet. The last confusion species here is the cattle egret, here on the left, compared to the snowy egret right here. Habitat is a great way to separate these birds, as cattle egrets like to be found in grassy areas, while snowy egrets are almost always found in water. Cattle egrets also have all yellow legs. Snowy egrets sometimes have yellow legs, I think, but not very common. Most of the time, they're going to be black. Cattle egrets also have a thicker orange bill compared to the snowy egret's thin, long black bill. And cattle egrets, depending on the season, will sometimes have some reddish-orange feathers on their breast and head. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, as it lets me know to do more of these deep dive bird identification videos. If you didn't like this video, go and hit the dislike button twice, and check out this video right here because YouTube thinks it's the best video on my channel for you.